Good morning vlog. So today I'm going to be organizing and decluttering and cleaning and all that stuff my baby bear's nursery. As I've stated before in previous videos, I am working with a small space nursery, so there's not a lot of room that we're working with. My sister's coming over this today to help me organize and just finish planning, because by the time you're seeing this, I will have a baby. I've repeated that so many times. Well, maybe not this video. I think this comes out on Tuesday and I'll be induced on Wednesday. But I'm very excited. I just need to finalize things because this room is a disaster and I want to make sure that we're utilizing the space correctly. So I'm going to bring you guys along with that today to show you guys how we're organizing, how we're cleaning, all that stuff. I really like cleaning videos. I really like nesting videos. I've been watching them a lot lately. So I thought that it'd be fun to show you guys how I'm using my small space nursery and how I'm organizing it and all that. So if you're curious, then obviously keep watching. So this is what the nursery looks like when you walk in. As you guys can see, that half is obviously my office, a makeup vanity. There's stuff everywhere. We have his bookshelf right here with some books on it, and then I'll show you like the actual meat of the room in a second, but I just wanted to do this overview real quick. The closet's probably the most organized right now. We have diapers and stuff like that all around up top. I have a lot of his clothes hung up. I have stuff organized in those boxes down there, and that is our hospital bag. I'm trying to keep my cat out of this closet. So this is where it gets embarrassing. This is his side of the room. This is his pack and play. There is a changing table in there plus a little sleeper, but right now it's literally just filled with everything. Behind the stroller I do have another desk. I don't know if I'm going to keep that because I was using it for like organization, but I think I don't know what we're going to do with that. I have some other stuff just stacked over here, and then it goes into my office space. So as you guys can see, it's a disaster right now. There's things everywhere, stuff still in boxes, like that humidifier. I still have our camera monitor down there too. Like, there's just stuff everywhere and it's been stressing me out. So I'm very excited to get this organized. First things first, we're organizing the closet a little bit. Ollie's helping me organize these diapers so that we can have easier access. Literally, my sister did so much work and I'm feeling a huge weight lifted off my chest. We got so much done today, which is why there wasn't a lot of like action clips, but I wanted to show you guys the final thing. She organized like every room in my house, which takes a huge load off my chest. But first we're going to start with the nursery. I want to go over that with you guys and kind of show you guys our nursery. It's a small space nursery, but I really like the setup that we have going, and I think it's going to work really well for me and us as a family. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. Okay, so when you first walk in, we saw this bookshelf right here, and then as you guys can see, this room is clean. I'm so excited. We're gonna start with the closet, which is right there. The first thing we have here is a little hanger that will be to hang his coats and stuff like that. When you open up the door, there's another hanger there that has my baby carriers on the back of it. I got that idea from someone that I watched on YouTube, I think. And then when you go in here, we have some clothes that I've hung up. Those are my hospital bags, which you guys have already, you guys saw on Sunday, my hospital bags. And then down here, we have this cube thing full of storage. I stored a lot of his like onesies, like there's onesies in that one. There's onesies in that. There's crib sheets in that one down there. There's blankets, swaddles, all kinds of stuff in there. This is where the majority of the storage is. Sorry if you can hear my wheelchair creaking. And then we have, that's wipes right there. We have size 1 diapers right here, size 2 diapers right there, size 3 diapers right there. And then we did get some size 4 diapers, so they're all the way at the top, along with some storage with like swings and stuff that we'll need later in his life. I think this closet is so well organized. I'm really proud of it, and I think it's going to work really well for us. And then as you guys can see right here, we have his pack and play. On his pack and play, it does have a changing table along with like a bed thing that he can sleep on. We probably won't let him sleep on that because we do have a bedside crib that we're going to be keeping in there, but it's nice. It's a perfect height for me and my chair to do changing. And then on the side you can see we have diapers, wipes, lotions, all kinds of stuff to change him there. In the bottom of it, we just have some storage because he's not going to be needing that for a couple of months, and we won't be using the bottom of the pack and play for a while, so we just did some storage down there. If you slide over, we have his hamper along with the diaper genie and my cat climbing on things. Then we have that brown desk, which is going to be used for storage. In the metal tin, it has like bath stuff in it. There's a little caddy over there is for the next to the couch. It's a diaper caddy. And then we have a Snuggle Me Organic and then another little bed thing down there at the bottom for him to sleep in. This cart is a diaper cart slash breastfeeding cart that will go next to the bed, but we haven't put it in the bedroom yet because we are in the process of getting a different bed, and I want to get that bed set up before we bring stuff in there. And then this is my office space, so that's organized. Down there we do have his toys in that little box because I won't be using that space. But as you guys can see, this is already much cleaner. And then over here we have my makeup vanity. I have those shoes to put away, but this room looks incredible compared to what it looked like before. And this was the room that I was like the most stressed out about. So I'm very happy with the way this looks. She also helped me organize this coat closet, which I talked about in my last vlog that I wanted to do. This is part of our stroller that we have right here so that it's not taking up space in the nursery. And then we just have our coats and scarves. We have some games up there. We have part of his stroller for when he gets bigger and some camera storage. As you guys can see, this looks way better than it did last week, and I'm just feeling so happy with this as well. This was a huge relief as well. Now, I know this room's gonna look a little crazy, but it's because we, one, are in the process of getting a new bed. That's our new bed back there, but we accidentally ordered the wrong bed frame, so we have to wait till we get the new bed frame. So we have our old bed in here right now, along with his bedside crib. As you can see, my cat likes to sleep in there, so we put a crib sheet along with a cover on it so that she doesn't get hair on it because we just had to clean all that out. If you guys could have saw this room before, another huge improvement. We're getting a bigger bed, so there's not going to be as much space, so that's why it looks so empty right now. We put most of the stuff in these closets over here. That's Jacob's closet, that's my closet, and yeah, we need to finish painting these walls as well. But this is our bedroom, and this is a huge difference too. I know it doesn't look like it, but if you guys could have saw it before, I'm super impressed. The last room that we organized that needed to be done desperately was our storage slash back room where our laundry is. It is very crowded back there, so she helped me organize that, but I'm not going to show you that because it's pretty boring. It just has our washer, dryer, cat's box, and then storage. But she helped me so much, and this takes a huge load off my chest. The day that I'm filming this is Saturday, and I'm giving birth on a Wednesday, and we have so much to do before he gets here. So this was a huge blessing to have her come. My sister and my niece are really good at organizing and just decluttering. We got rid of so much stuff today too. I wish you guys could have saw how much stuff we got rid of. I'm just in the mood to get rid of it so that we can clear out the space because we're about to bring another little human in the world, and he has a lot of stuff. So I feel like such a huge relief has been lifted off my chest. The next thing we need to do is on Monday, which I don't know if I'm going to bring you guys along for that. We have to go car shopping, and it's very last minute, so I'm very nervous about that, but we have to get a bigger car for me because baby needs it. My car's not big enough for a baby and my chair and me safely, so we're going to be looking for something a little bit bigger, which stresses me out because it's so close to me giving birth. But that's really the last big thing we have to do besides getting the bed established, and I have to reorder that bed frame, so I have to figure that out tonight when Jacob gets home. But overall, like I said, feeling such a huge relief. I'm feeling so excited now because things are organized and clean, and I love a clean, organized space. Makes me just feel so good. So very excited that I had my sister here today to do that, and it was nice to see her because I really haven't seen her in a long time. So I'm really thankful for that. I know that this vlog was a little different than what I normally do, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for your support by watching this video, and I'm posting this on Tuesday, and so in a day I will be getting induced and having my baby, and I'm so excited. So please keep me in your prayers. Please keep the doctors and staff in your prayers. Just pray that everything goes smoothly or whatever you believe in. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.